police. Hello, chemical police. Hey, you alright, man?
Fine.
Okay. Well, you were passed out of the pump for a little bit. You want to go ahead and turn the car off?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. You're just going to take off?
I have to, bro.
Why?
Because I have somebody to do it.
No, just turn the car off right now.
No, sir.
Let's turn the car off.
No, don't.
Get out of the car.
Back up. Back up. Back up. I have
Get out of the car.
Condition.
Out of the car.
I have a condition.
Get out of the car. Get on the ground.
I have a condition. I have a condition. Leave me alone.
Fine, get out of the car.
Leave me alone.
On the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Chase.
Foot pursuit. Southbound. Northbound. Or CCB.
I have a gun in my hand. Do it.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Drop the gun.
King 9 dispatch. He's got a gun. Get on the ground. Drop the gun.
Did he fire?
Yeah. Get on the ground. King 9 dispatch. He fired one shot. Get on the ground. King 9 dispatch. He's got a gun to his head now. Ground. On the ground. Drop it now. Okay, get it. Move around. Okay.
Okay, we have one suspect down. Shots fired.
Where's the gun?
Do not move.
Where's the gun at? Where's the gun?
Straight out.
Tiago, with me. You see the gun? What?
I'll move it.
I see the gun. It's left
Move the gun. Move the gun.
No.
Do not move. Crawl away from the gun.
We're at 425 North CCB, right by the main entrance.
Crawl away. Crawl away from the gun. I can't move.
Behind me, buddy.
Roll over.
I won't touch that gun.
Your hands up.
I cannot see the gun.
Where's it at?
Okay, behind you.
Where's it at?
Take cover. You see the gun.
Go this way.
You see the gun. He sees the gun.
Go this way.
Okay, coming over your side.
You ready?
Okay, Tiago, holster up.
I won't move. I think I'm hit. I think I'm hit. Oh.
Where are you hit?
Forgive me. I'm sorry. I woke up and I don't know that. I don't know what I'm going to do. Please forgive me. God, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.